Hey y'all, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell and today we're going to learn a line dance to the song Copperhead Road by Earle. So this line dance is very popular at gatherings, social gatherings and weddings down here in Texas. I know there are different versions of this one. This is how we do it down here in Texas. So this is the version that I'm going to teach you today. We're going to break it down. We're going to go real slow, go step by step. I actually recorded this tutorial a long time ago, so this is Carrie from the present. Showing you a video of Carrie from the past teaching you the Copperhead Road line dance. As always, this video is the tutorial only. If you want to try it with music, there's a separate video for that where I'll do the whole line dance with music. I'll even cue it so that you can dance along. And when you're ready to try it or you want to see what the dance looks like in music, you can head down to the post description below or check out the card up here. I think up here. All right, let's get our line dance on to Copperhead Road. Here we go. So the first step, you're going to take that right foot and you're going to go touch, together, step, together. Again, so you're touching the right foot out. Touch, touch, step, touch. It's 3 touches and a step. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to do the same thing on the left. Touch, together, step, together. Try the left side again. So it's touch, touch, step, touch. This one, the first couple times you do it can feel kind of like, what am I doing? Don't worry about it. You're gonna get it. Keep practicing it, all right? Right and left together. 5, 6, touch, together, step, together, touch, step. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go touch, touch, step, touch, 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 step, touch. 5, 6, count, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you like to count music, you're stepping on the count of 3 and again on the count of 7. 7. Try it again. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to do a kick cross. So you're going to kick that right foot. You're going to cross it over your left foot. You're going to kick it, and then you're going to step on it. And then the left thing, your left side's going to do the same thing. Kick, cross, kick, step. Right and left together, really slow. It's going to be kick and cross and kick and step. Again, kick, cross, kick. Let's do it a couple times. So we're going right foot, then you step, left foot. So your left foot's in the air, your right foot's in the air for 3 counts, then you step, 1, 2, 3, then you step. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? We practice these things over and over again so that it builds muscle memory in our legs so that you don't have to think so hard about it. All right? Let's try a little faster. Kick, cross. 5, 6, kick, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you just do it one time, right and left. Let's put it together with the touch, touch, step, touch. 5, 6 from the top of the combo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the first 2 8 counts. There's 4 total. So you're halfway there. And then you repeat it 4,000 times for the whole song. Okay, so we just did kick, cross. Now you're going to do 4 regular kicks. So it's going to be kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. Try it again. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. A little faster, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, left. That's the 3rd 8 count. Let's go ahead and do the 4th 8 count and we'll put them all together. Again, there's some variation in this, but this is how I'm going to teach it. You're going to go right, left, touch, right, left, touch. You don't even have to do the touch as long as you're doing the right, left. That's what matters. You can really have fun and stomp into that front foot. Okay, so again, it's going to be right, left, touch, right, left, touch. If you want to, on the touch you can clap your hands. So it'll be like this. It'll be like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Again, you don't really have to touch. You can leave that foot up. Whatever feels natural to you. I'm sure this feels so natural to somebody, right? So again, it's right, left, touch, right, left, touch. Or hold it up, clap. Right, left, clap. So you do it 2 times, 1 and 2, 3 and, just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first one I'm going to do to the front, and then I'm going to start to turn it. So it's the same thing 2 times in a row, but that's what we use to turn to our next wall, to repeat it from the top. Yes? Okay, try from the 4 kicks. So right kick, left kick, and then the stomp and clap. Ready? 5, 6, 4 kicks. Right, left, right, then we stomp. Stomp, together, stomp, together. And that's it. Let's go back to the top from the touch out step. Putting all 4 8 counts together, kind of slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 kicks on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp down. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn it to the other wall. I missed the clap. Can't talk and clap at the same time apparently. But that clap was in there too. And that's it. It's those 4 8 counts. Then when we turn this way, we just start it again. Touch and step, touch and step. Then we kick, cross, down, kick, cross. 4 kicks, right and left. Stomp and clap. Go. There, I can clap. Okay. And that's it. So we're going to try it going around. A couple different things, or a couple things to note. There's a break in the song at some point, mid to the end of the song. And you kind of get off, not the rhythm or the beat, but you get off of the set 32 counts to go to each side. They kind of, it's gonna feel a little weird, but just stick with it. It's gonna be fine. And another thing you can add when the song kind of goes da 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 da, it's kind of gonna have like this crescendo to it. If you want to, on the 4 kicks, you can turn them around yourself. Just an option to add a little something. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You're just going to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same thing. You're just going to spin around in a little circle around yourself. Okay? Just an option if you want to add that. I'll do that in the music as the song goes on, just to show an option for anyone who wants to do it. Let's try it a couple times from the top of the step. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? From the top, Copperhead Road. 4 counts. 5, 6, touch, step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, cross. 2, 3, 4. 4 kicks. Then we stomp down. Right, left together. Right, left together. Then you'll start it over from there. Kick, cross. Kick, 4 kicks. Stomp and clap. Clap, clap. And then you keep going, keep going, keep going. Face all the different walls. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. This time I'm going to turn that little kick section just to show you. 5, 6, touch, step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick, cross. 4 kicks. You can turn it if you want. Then we stomp. Stomp. Touch it. Go. Touch. Step. Kick, cross. Right foot. Left foot. 4 kicks. Turn it if you want. Then we stomp. Pop. thank you so much for joining me for this beginner dance tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it got you up and moving and feeling a little good. When you're ready to try the dance with music, remember it's going to be in a separate video that I'll always link down in the description below. I'll also link it in the comments, so you can head there to check that out whenever you're ready to dance it with music. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in another tutorial. Bye-bye.